What to do when you want to give up? Hi everybody, I'm Arvind Upadhyay, leadership coach at Entrepreneur Line. Today I will cover about what to do when you want to give up. Here I will talk about 8 things to do when you are going to give up. Like lots of people, I have felt towards the give up many times. When I was writing my book, uh, Think Like a CEO, How to Be Like a CEO. At that moment of the time I realized that I can't do it and it is impossible for me, and I was just trying to give up for that time. And that moment of the time I self motivate myself and then written whole book. Okay, so like a lot of people, you also want to sometime that you want to give up with your give up. It is easy to get a point where it seems to throw time you have invested, a dream, your goals, and time of the frustration can be very daunting. There are this cycle of excitement, enthusiasm, creativity, and they are followed to despair, discouragement, and desire to quit. And the reason behind why do we give up easily, so our brain are wired to giving up easily. It's normal human being are believed to act upon pleasure principle, and the pleasure principle is our brain focus on the things which are the pleasure for us, that our brain part is focusing that are the pleasure thing, and instead gratification is desire to experience pleasure or the fulfillment without delay or deferment. Basically it's when you want it and you want it now. Our brain are wired to immediate reward in return. We are born to look for instant gratification because the ancient time getting immediate benefit are essential for survival. So we are very much present oriented, and so when we are not getting what we want immediately, we get anxious and want to give up. So this is the reason why we want to give up. Okay, yes, so once in a while wanting to give up normal, but giving up is not okay. Maybe you are disappointed or tired to trying again time. Yet many of the people when experience one of these, the consequence of giving up too early, instant access of myth, and always many successful people failed hundred of the time. Even we talk about the inventor of bulb, Thomas Edison, he have failed more than 1200 time, and then after that he succeed to do that. If you they choose the give up instead of working harder to reach their goal, they wouldn't never succeed. For example, Walt Disney had been fired by newspaper editor before they he lacked imagination, had no good ideas, lacked imagination, and had no good ideas. If he gave up imagining and dreaming about big ideas, he wouldn't have find the successful Disney business. And let's take the famous success player David Beckham as another example. He had a downtime after he received a red card in the World Cup match against Argentina in 1998. The England team couldn't make the next round up. The everyone hated him and blamed him that he if Beckham gives the playing soccer, he wouldn't see the successful player leading different teams and becoming one of the most legendary player in the history. Eighth thing to do when you feel like and give up. Do what the future self thank you for, not regret. Here are the 8 things when you feel like you want to give up. Remember why you were started and how much you really wanted it. Think back, it's a moment of the that this project goal and concept was a concept. Remember the joy and thrill of the adventure ahead. At the beginning you had the goal in mind, a beautiful picture in your mind, finished task. Beginning was simple, carrying through has become difficult. Going back to beginning bring into focus and purpose of your endeavor. The memory of the anticipation the job accomplished is stirred up again when you begin the contempt reaches begin the first place. Second one, look into the reason why you want to give up. First of all, you feeling the wanted to quit and overwhelming. First to understand, look and into the reason why you want to give up. Have you been consumed with things not taken care yourself in the process? Do you feel little support? Are you lacking ability? Have you come against some difficulties that are the unprepared for? Do you need to just take a step back before continuing on? Third one is a picture in your mind, the ultimate result. Keep in your mind the picture at the end result. A visualization of what you want to accomplish will keep you moving forward. I mean, seriously, you want to stop partway through. The feelings of being quitter is not pleasant. You are a winner. Remember the slogan. You are a winner. You remember this slogan. You are a winner. The thrill of victory is agonic to difficult. Whenever you want to quit, ask yourself: do you want to thrill of the victory, or would you rather the agony of defeat? Press on. You can do this. Make a plan and have a backup. Before you undertake anything, always have an outline plan of the action. There are the various ways to this can be done. You can write a list, breakthrough chart, and form of the checklist for the task completed along the way. By having a plan in place, if when you feel like giving up, you can look the plan and refocus on the step needed to reach the goal. Fifth one, find support from others. Don't hesitate yourself to asking for help if you need. And if you hide your feeling for frustration, and don't be afraid of seek support from others. Reach out to family, friends, and co-workers, or even online forum, or find someone that you can talk and read yourself to what is dragging you down and causing you want to quit. Six one, be grateful for the good thing while struggling. Yes, you may feel like giving up. Yes, you are struggling. Yes, you are overwhelmed at the moment. I know this may seem like a strange thing to say, but remember to grateful things is essential resigned mindset. Things like that are the helpful for us. Good thing while you are struggling. Whenever you feel like giving up, stop and make a list of the things you are grateful for in your life. You have so much positivity in your life for the thankful for. When you shift your focus to becoming grateful for all things, tasks that seem overwhelming take a new light. Seventh one, celebrate your victories no matter how small they seem. If you have a small victories, celebrate them, enjoy them, because if you enjoy it, if you can be more feel the happiness to accomplish your goal. You deserve the acknowledge of victories that you have made it along the way. Instead of feeling overwhelmed all that you have to left to do, write the list of the accomplished you have already completed, no matter how small they may seem. Yeah, don't give up. 8 point, have motivation reminded everywhere. Here are the some my favorite motivation quote. Make them your wallpaper, or just have to quite stuck on your desk. Just don't give up. Never ever give up. Never give up something or really want. It's difficult to beat, but more difficult to regret. So never give up on something you really want. It's difficult to wait, but worse to regret. The expert in anything was once a beginner. Everyone must choose one of the two pains. The pain is of discipline or the pain of regret. Crawling is acceptable, falling is acceptable, picking is acceptable, crying is acceptable, blood is acceptable, pain is acceptable, quitting is not. Don't give up what you most want in life for something you think you want now. So this was the video about to want to do what to do when you want to give up.